konti lang. Hanggang mag-shot lang. Okay na. Sabi nga halos. Oy, bigay ka pa po. Sabi ko din sana ni Sandy, kunin mo na yung isa dito.
Ang ganda.
Bakit nakatayo? Picture tayo.
Welcome to Mount Lantic campsite. So, dalawa to guys. We're looking at Mount Lantic, and then that's Mount Talamitam. So we're kind of smack in the middle. Si Madam na grounding. It's Kuya Manny. And we are with the dogs. Sobrang ganda.
Ibang kanto na hindi rin magkakasundo. Ang kanong lokal doon. Kaya, sabi nga niya pagka nandun. Minsan nga
Paris.
dalawang tumbler ang
Hey guys, this is Journey to 40. One more year to 40. First climb with the wifey.
Yay!
Thanks to Kuya Manny, our guide.
Yeah, thanks kuya!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Kuya. Almost done. Pababa na tayo.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.